Hey sis, long time no see. I know you missed me. I'm back at it again, or whatever. Period. Anyway, jumping right into today's look. Okay, so, well, not today's look. Can you tell I haven't filmed in a long time? Yes, I have not. Okay, so I am, you're not, you're watching me do this. Okay. So the palette. This is the Be Bright or just Bright Matte? Bright Matte 42 color palette by Beauty Bay. I don't know if you can see, it's right there. Beauty Bay. And this palette is gorgeous. It is so pretty. This is not a new palette. This palette has been out for a good minute, but oh, it is so pretty. Look at that. I didn't need another rainbow palette, but this palette is nice. And it's actually really good because I've seen people review this for quite some time now, and everybody has said this palette is amazing. I mean, look at this. What's it called? Daffodil Delight. This right here. Oh, it's so pretty. But anyways, so yes, I will be reviewing this palette. Is all matte, no shimmers. So today's look is inspired by NYX Cosmetics. And there you go. Look at that. Look at that swoop. Yes, girl. Yes, queen. She is a fellow YouTuber, so definitely go subscribe to her and follow her on Instagram. But yes, so that's why I already have foundation on my forehead, as you can probably tell. And I haven't done my eyebrows because she didn't do her eyebrows in this picture, so I'm not going to do that. Anytime I don't have to do an eyebrow, you think I won't do that? You think I won't take the chance to do that? Yes, queen, because I don't like doing my eyebrows. I don't like spending almost 30 minutes on my eyebrows. Absolutely not. So I'm going to switch it up though. I'm not going to do the exact same colors because I'm going to do a Valentine's Day look. So for anybody who's going to see anything, yes, I am filming on my iPad. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. It's easier to film, edit, and upload on my iPad. And I've had this palette. I have a Juvia's Place palette. I have another Beauty Bay palette. I have a foundation that I want to review. I have several videos that I want to film, but it's easier to film on here, upload, edit, all that on here versus my camera with the computer. It's a long process, okay? A long process, but we're not here for all that. We're here for the makeup. So sis, let me go do it, and I'll be right back. I know you're gonna be here because you know you're gonna want to see what it looks like. You can play yourself, you can. But you know you're going to be there when I come back. Girl, bye. Anyway. Okay, so this is what I came out with. Used a lot of purple and pink. And don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Thank you. I think it came out really cool. I have to be careful about like raising my eyebrow because if y'all never used neon pigments, they like to crack and crumble. So I have to be careful because these neon pigments will fall off my face like it's a waterfall. So palette. I don't know if I didn't add enough eyeshadow base, but I was having problems with blending the purple and the pink like right in here. It's still not how I really want it, but we gonna twerk with it. And I noticed that it was like flaking off, like especially like this darker purple. Like the more I tried to pack on the eyeshadow, it would just like flake off. So again, I don't know if I didn't put enough eyeshadow base down, it could be that, but I'm not sure. But overall, it's okay. Because I'll be really upset if this eyeshadow palette ended up being a fail for me because the last Beauty Bay palette I reviewed, it was a fail. Sort of. No, it was a fail for me. So, yeah. But I really like it. I really do. Overall. But I mean, purples, they universally kind of give me problems when blending them out and blending them with other eyeshadows. But it's fine. We'll twerk with it. That she did. Yes, that she did. Anyway, my thoughts on the palette. It worked better on this side. I guess I just needed to apply more eyeshadow base because I didn't get the flaking on this side. So yeah, I think it's because the eyeshadows are a little more powdery and kind of chalky. So I think it just needs a little more of a tackier base, because I try not to apply too much, because then if I apply too much, the eyeshadows don't want to blend. They kind of just like stay in one spot. But with this palette, I think you just need a little bit extra. But yeah, I do like the colors in this palette. It's a really good starter palette if you don't have any rainbow eyeshadows, or if you're a makeup artist. It was cheap too. I believe I got this for $20 on beautybay.com. So, I mean, you get a lot of colors. And this, this white eyeshadow. Yes. This is a really, really good eyeshadow. I really like this white eyeshadow. I used the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and it worked amazing with this white eyeshadow. So definitely like this. I can't wait to get into the black to see, because you know, white and black in a palette, it's a make or break sometimes. Hey sis, I'm back. What's popping? Anyways, so yeah, obviously I'm back. I know I didn't say I was gonna do 2 looks for this palette in the previous look, but obviously it's in the title, so you're getting 2 looks. You're welcome. But no, initially I was not going to do 2 looks, but I was looking back at the video, the tutorial that I filmed last night, and I just wasn't happy with it. Obviously it's still in this video, but I wasn't feeling the greatest in the while I was filming it. Sorry, I'm cracking my fingers. Okay, sorry. My sinuses were acting up really bad. Like, it was burning all up in here. I was congested, and they were making so much noise outside, and I was just not in a good mood, and I could tell in the video. So that's why you're getting this look. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all appreciate me for my hard work. I work so hard. I do though, like, no cap. So anyways, on to the look. This is what it is. So yeah, it's in the shape of a heart. Hopefully you can see that. But I got inspired by Fearless Makeup on Instagram. As you can see, she did red and gold. It's absolutely amazing. Like, her eyeliner is so sharp and so clean. Like, that's my goal for like 2021. I really want to get better. 2020, yeah. I thought I said 2022 for some strange reason, but that's one of my goals for 2021. I really want to get better at doing eyeliner, because it looks okay, but like, it could be better. It could be better. But yeah, so a really simple, easy look. Obviously, I'm still using this palette, so yeah, really, really easy look. So yeah, let's get it popping and locking and busting and cracking and dipping and doing it. Don't ask me what I just said, because I don't know. You see it, says, don't You can sit there and lie. You can sit there and hate, but you know you see it. It's giving. It's giving. So here's a close up. So I ended up adding a ooh, child, not my wig lifting up. Yes, girl, I ain't glue it down. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna take it off in like 10 minutes. So, child. Anyways, but yeah, I ended up adding a little heart-shaped rhinestone there, and I added some rhinestones in here, some bottom lashes. Don't worry, anything I don't mention, you already know it's either gonna be in the screen or the description. But yes, I definitely like how this turned out a lot better than my previous look. But I mean, I still like the look. It's just I know that I could have done better, and I just wasn't feeling it. And like this eye yesterday was so uneven from the right side, and it was a mess. I had to like start. Oh, anyways, the palette. Now, I can only tell you about the colors that I have used, which is common sense, duh. So, I don't know how well the browns, the oranges, the yellow, the green, the blues, I can't tell you about those. But what I have used, very good. I will definitely continue to use it now that I have finally done a review on it, because this has literally been sitting in a box over there with other palettes that I need to review for months now. 4 months. It's the fault of my stars. But yeah, give you another look at the palette. I do think it's a good palette to just pick up if you just want to add something to your collection, or if you're in the market for a new rainbow palette. It's cheap. Like I said, I got this for $20. I've actually seen it. I think they had a sale a while ago, and I thought I saw it for like $10. I'm not gonna lie, $15, $10, somewhere in there. So, but anyway, sis, you already know what to do. Stay in your lane, mind your business, drink some water, wear a mask, socially distance yourself. Black Lives Matter. And please, por favor, take your vitamins.